Happy Easter, travelers! Before you pack those bags, beware. Some popular travel accessories are total scams draining your wallet dry. First up, overpriced luggage scales. Many travelers buy these thinking they are essential, but your airline already weighs your bag at check-in. These tiny gadgets often give inaccurate readings, leaving you stressed at the airport anyway. Save your money and skip this useless tool completely. Next, travel neck pillows shaped like giant rings. They look comfortable in advertisements, but offer almost zero real support during long flights. Most experienced travelers ditch them after one trip. They take up enormous bag space and barely improve your sleep quality at all. Scam number 3. Overpriced RFID blocking wallets. Companies market these heavily, claiming your cards are constantly at risk from digital thieves everywhere. However, actual RFID theft cases are extremely rare. Your regular wallet provides perfectly adequate protection without costing you extra unnecessary money. Finally, portable travel routers. Marketed as must-haves, these devices promise fast, secure connections, but often deliver frustratingly slow and unreliable internet speeds. Most hotels and cafes already offer free, reliable Wi-Fi. Carrying extra gadgets just adds unnecessary weight and clutter to your already heavy luggage. So this Easter, travel smarter and lighter. Avoid these 4 scammy accessories and spend that saved money on real memorable experiences instead. Luggage scales give false readings and waste money. Airlines handle weighing professionally, so trust the process and leave that gadget at home. Neck pillows consume precious packing space. Instead, fold a soft scarf or hoodie for neck support and save significant room in your bag. RFID wallets are pure marketing fear tactics. Standard card sleeves or regular wallets keep your information just as safe during any international travel adventure. Portable routers disappoint constantly. Instead, purchase a local SIM card at your destination for faster, cheaper, and far more reliable internet connectivity everywhere. Smart packing means choosing only items that genuinely improve your journey. Question every gadget before buying and research honest traveler reviews thoroughly beforehand. Easter reminds us to celebrate new beginnings. Start fresh travel habits by eliminating wasteful purchases and focusing on what truly enhances your adventures. Share this video with fellow travelers who need to hear this. Together, we can all travel smarter, lighter, and far more joyfully this season. Happy Easter, everyone! Drop your best travel tip below and subscribe for more honest travel advice that saves you real money every trip.